Have you ever looked up at a passing airplane and wondered about the, well, less glamorous aspects of air travel? Specifically, what happens to the waste passengers produce during a flight? Rumors have circulated for years about everything from toilets flushing into the open sky to mysterious blue ice falling from above. While some of these tales are wildly exaggerated, the question of how planes handle waste is an interesting one. Let's unpack the truth behind these mile-high mysteries. Contrary to popular belief, airplanes do not jettison waste mid-flight. The image of toilets flushing directly onto unsuspecting people below is a myth. Instead, airplanes have sophisticated waste management systems on board. When you flush the toilet on a plane, the waste is sucked into a holding tank, not ejected into the atmosphere. This system ensures that waste is contained throughout the flight. Now about that blue ice. While not exactly waste in the traditional sense, there have been isolated incidents of frozen lavatory fluid, sometimes tinted blue from the disinfectants used, leaking from planes. This is called blue ice, and it is a rare occurrence. These leaks typically happen due to faulty seals or valves in the waste management system. While unpleasant, blue ice incidents are uncommon and not a regular part of air travel. Airlines and aircraft manufacturers take sanitation and safety very seriously. The onboard waste management systems are rigorously tested and maintained to prevent leaks and ensure hygiene. Furthermore, the holding tanks are emptied and cleaned after each flight by ground crews. This thorough process ensures that waste is handled responsibly and safely, minimizing any potential health risks. So, rest assured the next time you fly, you can use the onboard facilities without worrying about waste falling from the sky. The systems in place are designed to keep things clean, contained, and far, far away from anyone on the ground.